Section 3.1, problem number 4. Looks like 3 parts. What have we got? Consider a data set with at least 3 pieces of data in it. Suppose the highest value is increased by 10 and the lowest is decreased by 10. All right, so the high goes up by 10, the low goes down by 10. So what happens here? Does the mean change? Okay, that's the first question. Does the mean change? Yes, the sum of the data changes. Yes, the number of data values changes. Well, number of data values not changing, right? We're just going up by 10 and down by 10. Yes, changing the extreme values affects the mean. No, the number of data values does not change. The question is this: does the mean change? No, the number of data values does not change. It doesn't make sense. No, the sum of the data values does not change. So what do you think here? You know, if you have a set of data and you increase the biggest one by 10, take the smallest one, decrease it by 10, does it seem like the data, the sum is not going to change? I think that's what we've got going here. I'm going to say no, because you decrease by 10, you increase by 10, so you're offsetting that increase or decrease. Go to part B here. Does the median change? All right, the median is the middle value. So if you increase the biggest, decrease the lowest, the sum of the data changes. That has nothing to do, the sum doesn't have anything to do in a median. Cross that one out. No, changing the extreme values does not affect the median. All right, so we've taken the highest value, increased it by 10, the lowest value, and decreased it by 10. We haven't affected anything in between. So right away, I'm going with this one right here. Part C asks us, is it possible for the mode to change? All right, now what we're doing is we're taking the highest value, increasing it by 10, and the lowest value and decreasing it by 10. Well, I'm thinking yes, because if I change the values, if I change those values, like I increase one by 10, I decrease the other by 10, I'm actually changing the values. So what do we, so I'm going to say yes. So get rid of the no's. No, yes, depending on the range. I don't think the range has to do with this. Yes, depending on the number, yes, depending on the number of, I think that's of data values. I don't think so. I think it's going to be this last yes. Yes, depending on which data value occurs most frequently after the data are changed. Okay, I'm taking a data value, the highest one, and maybe there's 5 of them. If I increase it by 10, then that changes. Maybe it used to be 50, but now it's, 50 plus 10 is 60. I'm going to go with this one here.